How to delete all your videos on YouTube at once. Quick and easy guide. Want to delete all your YouTube videos at once? Whether you're starting fresh or clearing out old content, I'll show you the fastest way to remove all your videos in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account. Next, on the left-hand menu, click on Content. This will show all the videos uploaded to your channel. Now, click the checkbox at the top to select all your videos. If you have multiple pages of videos, make sure to select everything. With all videos selected, click on More Actions and then choose Delete Forever. YouTube will ask for confirmation. Check the box that says, I understand that deleting is permanent, then click Delete Forever. And that's it. Your videos will now be permanently deleted. I hope this video helped. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.